Hello, in front of me I've got DJI Osmo Mobile 7. In this video I'll show you device preview. Firstly, take a look at the top of the device. Right here we've got the DJI OM magnetic phone clamp. Next we've got the pan motor, status panel, zoom slider, joystick, 1.1/4 inch port for connection, switch button, shutter record button, power mode button. Then we've got the tilt motor, roll motor, trigger, charging port, and built-in tripod. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.